Hello, and welcome to the 11th part of the Sword Group Best Practice Pattern series. Today we'll be looking at implementing text translation within an Azure Synapse workspace. The Translator is a cloud-based neural machine translation service that is part of the Azure Cognitive Services family, an extensive package that helps developers build intelligent solutions in the areas of vision, language, speech, and decision-making. The translator falls into the language subfield of this package and can be implemented and developed through a number of options. Azure offers three main development options. These are the text translator, document translator, and custom translator. All are viable options to carry out translation tasks and should be explored in detail when deciding what development route to undertake. In this best practice pattern, the text translation service was focused in on with the aim of providing a method to integrate the service within a Synapse workspace. This development option has the most competitive pricing out of the three and provides all required features for most translation tasks within Synapse. There are numerous ways to connect to the Translator API. One way of connecting to the Translator service within a Synapse workspace can be achieved by using a linked service. Once this linked service is assigned, the translator can then be called upon using a notebook. In order to do this, the MML Spark package needs to be imported. This package provides easy-to-use Spark ML transformers for a wide variety of Microsoft Cognitive services, including the translator. With the Synapse environment and notebook configured, the translation service can be called upon using the translate function that is made available through MML Spark. The above script is a function that calls on the linked service that needs to be assigned to the Synapse workspace before deployment of the notebook. It should be a cognitive service resource which has a translator service configured. The next line assigns a column or text that requires translation. This should be provided within a Spark data frame. This line defines a new column created by the translator. And this last line sets a maximum number of concurrent calls. The set2language function defines the language that the translator will output. There are numerous language codes available within the Microsoft documentation, and it is possible to insert multiple language codes into this function to create a multi-language output. Here are some examples. The following example displays the text translator in operation within a Synapse notebook, translating multiple languages to English. Step 1. Import the required packages for the notebook. Step 2. Create an appropriate Spark data frame. Step 3. Call on the translator service and assign parameters. And step 4. For the purpose of this example, the output can be displayed by the following. As can be seen from the output, one of the main features of the translator service is auto-language detection. This feature provides a score to reveal how well the pre-trained AI model has predicted the language at source, with the score system ranging from 0 to 1. The higher the score, the better the neural machine detected the source language. This score should be consulted at the end of each translation to see how well the pre-trained model has performed. Thank you for listening, and please look out for our next best practice pattern coming soon.